Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 10 or 11 update error code is 0x80070002. So it's very easy to fix this problem in Windows 10 or 11. So firstly you need to search troubleshoot settings and open it troubleshoot settings. Other troubleshoots, just click on it. Windows Update, click on Run. Now wait some few minutes, this process will be complete. If this process will be complete, so close it. Now search CMD. If does this method will be not work, so type CMD. Run as administrators, click on it. It asks permission, so click on yes. Now type here this command. First command is sfc space /scan now, and second command, if you comment, so I will give in description box. So you need to just copy and paste this command. So after this both command process will be complete, so close it. Restart your PC or laptop. And after restart you can easily resolve this problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.